Hi YouTube, Tim Market here. In this video we're looking at SAT style problems where we buy a certain item, several of that item for a certain cost, and we have some coupon applied. So we get our total cost after the coupon's applied, and we have to figure out how much that individual item costs. So let's look at problem 1 to see what I'm talking about. So problem 1 reads, Jimmy bought 12 knickknacks for his house that were the same price. He had a coupon that gave him a discount of $56. After the discount, he spent a total of $40. So how much would he have spent? First off, let's ask how much would he have spent before the discount? So let's take the $40 here and we'll add the $56. And if we add 40 plus 56, we get $96 he would have spent before the discount, the coupon was applied. So then the question asks how much each is each individual knickknack. Okay, so we're going to take the $96, and what we want to do is we want to divide that by the number of knickknacks. So there's 12 knickknacks here. So 12 will go into 96 8 times. So he spent $8 for each knickknack. And let me just let's move this over and make the dollar sign right next to the $8 there. So there we go, $8 for each knickknack. Okay, let's take a look at a few more problems like this, and if you want to try along, maybe pause the video, try it on your own, and then see how you do compared to me. All right, number 2, Billy bought 11 ornaments. So 11 ornaments at a local house ornament store. He got a $24 discount from a coupon and spent $108 in total. How much was each individual ornament? So let's see how much he would have spent without the coupon. So we have to take the $108 that he did spend, and we have to add the $24 coupon. And that's going to give us $132. And by the way, you may have noticed that these type of problems are disregarding tax, so we're not worried about that. And we have 11 ornaments, so we're going to take the $132 and we're going to divide by 11. And that's going to give us $12 per ornament. So our solution here is 12. Okay? All right, let's go into number 3. But before we go into number 3, if you know people with like minds here would benefit by viewing this content, I'd encourage you to share that with them, as it does help this get out to more people. Thank you. All right, let's move to problem 3. Timmy went to a local thrift shop and noticed some trinkets were all on sale for the same price. He also had a $45 coupon he used. So $45 coupon. He bought 15 trinkets and spent a total of $90. How much was each trinket? So we're going to take the original amount he spent, the $90. And we're going to add 45. That's how much he would have spent without the coupon. So that's going to be $135. And he bought 15 trinkets, so we're going to take 135 and divide by 15, and it's going to cost $9 per trinket. All right, so each trinket costs $9. All right, pretty sweet. Let's try one more. All right, problem 4. Donnie was also at the thrift shop shopping for doodads. He bought 13 doodads that were all the same price. He also redeemed a coupon for $15. He spent a total of $76. How much did each doodad cost? So we're going to take the amount he spent, the $76. We're going to add the $15 coupon. That's how much he would have spent without the coupon. That's going to give us $91. Then we're going to take the $91 and divide that by 13. And it's going to be $7. $7 per doodad that he spent. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe. Thanks.